Straight up out of Zimbabwe.
Hello Zimbabwe, my name is Andy Murizo and you're watching Straight Talk.
Straight talk.
Straight talk to the world.
Listen me, get to life is easy.
Right now we are at Legendary Music, and I got baddest producer right now. Greetings to you. How are you? Good. Yeah. This is JMP. Who is JMP in the music industry?
JMP is a madman.
Madman.
Yeah.
So mad radio is what?
Just a madman. Everything. A madman.
Everything is mad.
Musically mad, you know. Yeah.
Musically mad.
Yeah.
Right. The music is in that. So Papa Bad. And why we there? We didn't know when to feel because I'm a producer. I'm a producer. Example yako yokuti wakatisa munhu producer pamariti marangagadzira pakabuda kuti zvikubu zvichibva pamuromo pako chiudzewo kuti zvingatwese.
But then the answer to go forward, it needs everybody to unite and stop misunderstanding, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Like, people say in Nagataura is a good team, it's a good teaser, any producer, but frankly, no. Nagataura is when this is white. One can forget that this is black. You understand? I did not diss anyone, and I do not intend to diss anyone, especially in dancehall, because there was no WhatsApp platform or Facebook where you can just post music. So right now it's easier, but now there are opportunities to make more. But the spirit yakudhara ngeri pekutizoni mokari chipazi critical chief for you, people work like one, you could come for
so
advice. I don't know. I'm actually not sure, because that's where the seed yoksa in the forward, because I don't think could be right now any other producer can diss any other producer whereby none of them have ever bought, for example, a car with music, you know what I mean? So why are you fighting for peanuts? See? It's real. So basically with what I said, to be honest with you, I tried to advise. I tried to advise people to stop making the same sound. Not just them, but including me as a producer as well. But people felt I dissed PTK and levels. But thank God, some guy from Gweru came in, probably understood what I was saying, and he came and changed the sound. Thank God for us.
Okay, some producers they are still on top of them. How do you rate yourself?
I'm not the baddest.
You're not the baddest. But you're the maddest.
I understand.
Okay.
Yo! What's up, Stewie? That's not on camera.
Okay. So our music here, this is like unity, right? It's not
Unity is key.
Hope tongue was a blank. All the girl you say was a blank. Alright, was a blank for your refrain. So da ushangari wasude na rodi. Basinga pesa ni swende choki. Pete ushangari wakasungwa neshinda. Tika isa moto unovida. We no deal with false pretense. Nyaya zeru zino gara zaka kirwa mu chest. Real friends like a bulletproof vest. So one know the game say we never separate. Azurema de yangu shangari. Jema fea isinga de mari. Uptown Basablanc.